Okay, so we're back up here at Snowshoe, at the top of the Western Territory. Gonna do another rundown. Think we're gonna hit some pro DH in the wet. Started raining on our last lap, so we had to take a little break in the shelter. But now the sun is not coming out and it looks like it's gray over there, so we're gonna push our luck and see what kind of fun we can have. It's really not supposed to pick up till about 1 o'clock, so we'll have some fun. Guys are still trying to get the trail bike, e-bike dialed in on suspension. It's always fun. So let's go hit some trails.
Fun to go across the wood ramp and run the gap.
Yeah, I'm gonna go slower than you because last time I tried to follow you through there, I got a flat tire.
Okay. I'm gonna stop at the bottom.
I'm gonna stop right where you stop because you've got more energy than I do.
Alright. You got more air, Jake? We gotta reset your rubber wipers there. Check it out. Oh. Alright, we got a little traffic.
Yeah. Got the keys, pockets are zipped up, dropping in. Yeah. You can go this way. Oh! Woo! And that is why we wear all the gear. Whew. Good? Yeah. Yeah. Whew. Just the same thing happens every time I try to keep up with your dad.
Yeah.
Need to
rough on me.
Yeah, well, it's not the bike, it's the trail.
Yeah, but yeah.
Oh, all right. But yeah, I'm sure that bike is rough on you.
They were allowed to turn right. They're probably waiting 30 minutes for Skyline to open back up.
Whew.
Oh, I just like, it was good there.
Oh, here comes the rain. Luckily, I didn't get too worked on that crash, but trying to keep up with you through that.
Did you crash?
Yeah, it was funny. Like I just barely, like I had took a little tumble, but Oh, my padding saved me, but I just rolled all over top of my bike. It was
I
great.
don't know if I'm going to make this triple. It's slow, but we'll work.
I'm going to be way behind you.
I'll show you the which ones I'm tripling.
Okay.
I'll say here's one, and here's another, so you'll know.
Helmets on.
You're not wearing goggles?
No, I'm gonna put them on in just a sec.
Right. Okay.
It's dark in here. Oh my God, this is awesome. Not so awesome with the rain. They aren't trying to go Rick case. That means it's wild. Oh my God. Woo!
Stop and put these things off. I'm gonna take them off before the strap down.
So you're gonna go for the full step up? Or the wood jump?
I think so.
Okay.
Into it and pull.
I tried it once and almost got it. About nose cased and scared the living crap out of me.
The blue flag one down here?
No, the wood jump.
Oh no, I mean the one past.
Oh yeah, that's no problem.
How about that? It's a little bit wet. It's a little wet.
She's a little wet. Oh my God.
What a nice day.
It's a glorious day for a bike ride. All right, once again, today was awesome. Got all kinds of fun laps in. Ran into buddies, ran into Rick and Jake. Those kids are shredders. Rick being a 50-some-year-old shredder, you know, but the dude is just insanely fast. You'll see me flipping over trying to keep up with him earlier in the video, but that's what happens when you try to ride with trail monsters. But it's been super fun getting out here and riding at Snowshoe. If you haven't been to Snowshoe, you should definitely come and do that. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, eat a donut, and stay rad.